Networking Essentials, the new room. Task number 1, introduction. Have you ever wondered how your computer can dynamically configure its network settings when you turn it on or connect it to a new network? Have you ever wanted to know how many devices and countries your packets passes through before reaching their destination? Are you curious how all your home devices can access the internet even through your ISP, even though your ISP gives you a single IP address, internet service provider? If you want to know the answers to these questions, among others, then this room is for you. This room is the second room in a series of 4 rooms about computer networking. Here we see everything. Networking concepts, networking essentials is the room that we are doing right now, and then the other 2 that will follow. Networking concepts is a room 100% completed. Just to watch it is the previous room before essentials. Learning prerequisites. To benefit from this room, we recommend that you know the following: ISO SI model and layers, TCP IP models and layers, Ethernet IP and TCP protocols. In other words, starting this room after networking concepts is the recommended approach. Learning objectives. The objective of this room is to teach you about various standard protocols and technologies that glue things together. Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, DHCP, Address Resolution Protocol, or AE, oh my god, ARP, Network Address Translation, NAT, and then Internet Control Message Protocol, ICMP, ping and traceroute. Answer the questions below, get your notepad ready, and let's begin.